Hey there, welcome to Waterstone Fitness. My name is Jake, and today you're going to be able to get a perfect push-up. A 30-second version for those who just want to get in and out and make sure that they're doing a pretty good job. When you do a push-up, the main thing that you want to keep in mind is that your shoulders stay in front of your elbows, because if they're in line with your elbows and they flare out like that, that hurts both your elbow and your shoulder. Now, to keep this in mind, there are three parts to a push-up. There's the top position, there's the bottom position, and then there's transitioning between those. At the top, the main thing that you want to keep in mind, so on every rep, is that you want to keep your abs engaged. And that's going to be done by imagining little kids coming up to punch you, and that's going to naturally tense up your core. That's going to keep your back straight. So at the top of every rep, check that. Then, at the bottom, you want the first thing to touch to be your chest. Now, some people have a problem with range of motion, but full range of motion is your chest touching first, not your stomach, not your chin, not your nose, none of that. Chest is the only thing to touch. And then, during the transition, the main thing that you want to keep in mind is that the forearms stay vertical and the shoulders are in front of the elbows. This right here, that should be enough